Don't remember, boy.
Yo, shit. Shit. Check kids, yo, Skito. Shit. AM, boom, boom, fire. Yeah. Sasko with beats. Yo.
Don't remember, boy.
I just do my thing, I don't wait for the right time. I bring death, and I hope your niggas are covered. When you hear something whack, just know that it ain't us. I fuck bitches, I don't make love with sluts. I'm just having fun, killing rappers, it's what I like. Your bitch owes me, homie, you have to pay the price. Cause she a chip sluts and a blowjob sucks. How I wish she get run over by a tow truck. Motherfuckers, I ain't got no time to play. Mina go 4 bars, ngangitshela wangibuza ngelinye MC. It's like I just left earth. Ngwenye level, mix amazene, cocaine, a little bit of Mandrex. Wangihlebi, come say in front of my face. Oh, shut the fuck up, nigga, if you scared. This is AMENT, if you want beef, we serve. I'm with Arnold, with them rapper bullets, we erase.
Sasko, yo Gcwele ngawe bese ubheda kodwa ngiyakuthuka suka lana wempatha sekudlala amampantsula angisoze ngaba effect njengokuhlangana kwenu nonke uzothi uyangidakaza kanti mjito njengexhonde good cat uzongebona nakwe good cat suka ngizokudubula wena nyone ngithi move back ufike phela nami ngiyalenza ucansi iNazaretha wemngane nami phela elithanda ucansi ganda mapiyo lezi insimbi zabelungu ngiyawavula amaphiko ngiyise labo uNkulunkulu ngiyawanyanya amandiyo nenkingozi phokophuko ngifike nakwe show mjidani njalo donodono ngibanjwe inqawe yona ngenza ngihlanye ngibanjwe namaZainex wona ngenza nginyanye ngizoza ngibe top kunawe wena usa underground esilishayela ihlombe bese liphanda phela iCannibal
Sambala yo yonke isikela kwenonile plaza ngishaya inyama enyameni sibhekha uhamba ukukumele kanti ushanga ithumbe kwaphena ngimfuna nonkro yonhle insuku nomcabo ngathi ngikamdlisa ukudla neretex namasemba nomchamo ayitax suka la wena zavolo unyanyisa kabi umjito zenza ishuzana ebesakhiyo gogo endakhophe ikhethe ngangihlula ngomqondo egcina ngobhululu babo oyikati lishayiswe imoto nami ngiyaxajela ekhanda ngikho right nebeats kaSaski yangibidozisa ngenza ngathi ngabale right so ngangicasula nangomuntu emini ezongiphuphela dokotela unkothenini wasungizwa nginoshukela now umnyalezo kaSisibaka think she should know that I'm not only tall bitch my dick is also long zwana secret ngami ngikutshele sengimdala impela kodwa ekhaya baza ngakaliyeki ibele